Hey, I thought this evening we would do a balm from Moon's Harvest. This is from the spring collection, and this one is Bird Bath. Now, this is a big old balm, and up here in the top is cocoa butter bath melt, and it looks like a little bird's nest with two little cute eggs. It's adorable. Um, oh, it smells good too. I went ahead and looked up the scent description on this just because I couldn't remember if the listing disappears when the balms sell out. So I wanted to go ahead and get that. I can't remember all of it, but I do remember that it looked like the main things in this scent was blackberries and plum. It also had brown sugar. Now, it does smell a little bit fruity. It's like a deeper fruity smell, and it is a little sweet, but this one is not overly sweet. It's not to the extreme. So if you can't deal with candy scents, really sugary scents, I think this one would be okay, just because it's not too much. Now, I will link Moon's Harvest down below. Um, this is a company that I order from pretty frequently, just because her balms or their balms are very moisturizing. They always, just a regular balm that doesn't have this cocoa butter melt in the top, just the regular balms have a good amount of oil in them. So, you don't get out all dry. Um, I'll link them down below, but in my last giveaway, I gave a Moon's Harvest gift card. And if you're not familiar with this company, you saw the size of the balm here, right? It's huge. Um, and they're really inexpensive. They don't cost a lot. So you could take 25, 30, $40 and get a lot of balms for yourself. These are my favorite though, right here. The ones with the cocoa butter on the top. Um, on the days I'm going to shave, I always like to use one of these balms because you get the extra oil in the water, and it's just really nice for shaving. I think anyway. I don't know. Sorry guys, I was trying to take a picture there. I know I draw you around. This daggone phone is it's just big and it's heavy, and it hurts my old wrist. Look at this. Oh, that pretty pink foam. It looks like there's like probably 4 different colors in there. You got the lighter pink, the darker pink, there's a peachy color, and then there's like a yellow. The actual balm is pretty much gone. There's just the bath melt for the most part that remains. And it does melt pretty quick. Let me show you guys. See that? I think some of her bath melt is mixed in with balm because it just it gets that cool feeling, and it disintegrates pretty quick. Now these eggs aren't though, I don't think, because they're a little bit harder, which they might be though. No, they are. See, look, Hang on. Yeah, see them fizz? So they do have a bit of the bath bomb ingredient in there as well. Let's see. Okay. Let's see here, guys. So there's our pretty pink water. Little bitty piece of balm left. All right, let's mix our water up here. Gave us a little bit of bubbles, but I don't, yeah, it's not really gonna bubble for us very much. Now, I know this water looks kind of dark to you guys. On my screen here, what I'm seeing almost looks like a blood orange color. But this water is actually a very pretty lighter orange. It's probably a shade or two lighter than what I'm seeing on here. It's not helping. The sun's kind of starting to go down and it's shining right through my bathroom window, so it's kind of messing with everything. Oh, yeah, well, also I did not turn on my bathroom lights. Well, here's another fail, y'all. You guys just have no idea how many videos, like, I'll go to show you guys something and I'll forget a light or something, and it just messes up the video. I'm going to put this one up anyway because this was an adorable balm. The water is really pretty. It's a light orange color. The water feels really good. I think the scent probably will be very light. Now, with that pink color, it seems like it always, any balm it seems that has that color of pink in it, it seems like it wants to kind of stain you a little bit, but it doesn't really, because that'll wash off. Before I get out of here, that will be gone. See, it's already a little bit lighter, but it's never been a problem. Doesn't stain the tub or anything. Oh, my little eggs are already melted in there. All right, guys. If you follow me on Instagram, I'll turn the lights on and see if I can get a true picture of this water so you guys can see what color it is. All right, y'all have a good one.